I got burned last night while cooking. Look at this. It looks pretty bad. Let me put some bun gel. I was gonna cook some japchae and some maybe gochujang soup, but it's not a good idea to cook with this hand. It was pretty painful last night. Now the pain is almost gone. It doesn't sting anymore unless I touch it. And today I woke up pretty early. I think I woke up at 7. What time is it now? It's almost 8. Ooh. I touched it with my nail by accident. Yeah, so last night I got these two, like burn gel and burn pads. Okay, I think this should be good. This is digested. I was cooking here last night. Here's a pot like that. I put a lot of things in there. I need to cover it with lid, but I don't have proper lid. So I use this big bowl, like cover it like that. I was like, I'm so smart. And then when I opened it up with a towel and this, I should do that like this way with right hand or this way with left hand, right? But I was stupid enough to do that use left hand to open the thing and move to right side like that, here to here. And the hot steam came up and it hits me like this. Yeah, that was silly. My bad. I'm regretting. Why did I do that? It's not that bad, luckily. So after cook, I used a lot of things like that and I didn't clean it up. So I have to clean it up, but with only right hand. I'm not gonna use this hand. 어쩜 우린 복잡한 인연에 서로 엉켜있는 사람인가 봐. 나 후회 없이 살아가기 위해 너를 붙잡아야 할 테지만 내 거친 생각과 불안한 눈빛과 그걸 지켜보는 너, 그건 아마도 전쟁 같은 사랑. 난 위험하니까 사랑하니까 너에게서 떠나줄 거야. 너를 위해 떠날 거야. Let's eat breakfast. Microwave. This is the food yesterday I made, but it's so good. And then chopsticks. Yeah, this is kimchi-jjim. It's so good. 배고파. Let's make coffee. Oh my god. Oh no.